You're going to love these because I absolutely adore them. We've got the leaping deers and with the decorative snowflake. They are beautiful. Let me show you the deers first. Look at those. Aren't they beautiful? You've got that large snowflake in there, that large star design, but you can mix and match them all perfectly. Just look, I mean, that, hello, that's going to be on my Christmas tree, I think, the top. They are beautiful. So they're your deers. And then you've got your snowflakes. Now these are like a set of nesting dies. So you've got your base die. You've then got that beautiful detailed die in there. I mean, just look at the detail in that. It is beautiful. You can then go down into that centre area and you've got those circles. You can either take the circles out or leave them in, but look at the detail in that. They are absolutely gorgeous, and look at all those different corners that you can place around it. So you can use the snowflake just completely on its own. You can take the centres out, and what you'll notice, the centre there is the same centres in the centre of there, so you can mix and match those centres into the centre of those. You can mix and match them perfectly, but look at those 4 different corners as well. So you could actually put them onto an 8x8 card as well if you want to. But the possibilities of mixing and matching both those 2 die sets together is going to be endless, and you're going to come up with so many different ideas. See you later.